Want to isolate the vocals or completely remove the instrumentals from any song in just a few seconds? Today, I'm showing you how to do exactly that using LALAL.AI, an incredibly powerful AI audio splitter. Whether you are making karaoke tracks, extracting acapellas, or mixing stems, this tool makes the process incredibly simple. So, what exactly is LALAL.AI? It started as a simple vocal remover, but has grown into a full suite of audio processing tools powered by their 6th-generation Andromeda AI engine. It doesn't just separate vocals and instrumentals, it can actually split specific stems like drums, bass, acoustic or electric guitar, piano, synthesizer, strings, and even wind instruments. On top of that, they offer a voice cleaner to remove background noise, echo, and reverb, a lead and backing vocal splitter, and even creative tools like a voice changer and voice cloner. Now, let's talk about how to use it. The process is incredibly easy. First, head over to LALAL.AI. Right on the homepage, you'll see an upload section. Before you upload, choose what you want to extract, whether that's vocal and instrumental, or a specific instrument like drums or piano. Once you've made your selection, simply drag and drop your audio or video file. It supports formats like MP3, FLAC, MKV, MP4, and more. The AI will process the file in a few seconds, and you'll get high-quality, extracted tracks ready to download. You can use it directly in your web browser or download their dedicated apps for macOS, Windows, iOS, or Android. When it comes to pros and cons, we want to be completely transparent. We don't have external user review data configured for this tool today, so we can't share a broad community consensus. However, looking at the features, the major pros are its incredible versatility, allowing you to isolate almost any instrument, and its availability across desktop and mobile platforms. On the flip side, because it relies on AI to analyze complex audio, very messy or low-quality original recordings might still present a challenge for perfect separation. Overall, if you need a quick, high-quality way to split stems or clean up voice tracks, LALAL.AI is absolutely worth trying. Head over to LALAL.AI to test it out for yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. See you in the next video.